when you speak to them, they pay attention. Why is it that for me, like I can be so very lost in my thought? I'm out here and just thinking out loud.
Is it thinking or is it telling the truth?
Telling the truth. Yeah, telling the truth.
They are not the same. When I hear myself speaking and perhaps telling the truth, I can be very attentive if I really listen. And I can allow it to be as it is. I don't know what I will be saying. And then I can be as surprised as anybody else. But I'm listening, and it is the listening that matters. It is not so much the doing or the feeling or the saying. It is I am there to listen. The listener is the one that rescues me from the deep, dark waves of despair that appear to be there to drown me, but it's just so I will surrender to the vastness of the ocean that wishes to take me into the listening.
I definitely have experienced that it needs to become explicit. That all the thought that goes on constantly in every whether I write it or speak about it, if it doesn't become explicit, then it just keeps cycling.
Yes, that gesture of spinning, it is a universal gesture for representing the confusion machine.